Best retractable clothesline review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular retractable clothesline in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this clothes hanger so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to set this up and use it right away. The one that made our list is Amazon's Choice Stainless Steel Retractable Clothesline. This bestseller has a 9.2 feet retractable cable for hanging laundry both indoors and outdoors, and is made from polished stainless steel for an extended durability. The fortified steel wire holds up to 22 pounds of laundry and is really easy to install, as you'll see in the video demo later, and everything you need for the installation is included. When not in use, you can retract the cable easily to keep your surroundings neat and tidy. To check out the full specs of Amazon's Choice Stainless Steel Retractable Clothesline and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/retractclothesline. Here's a quick demo of how easy it is to set this up. So there you have it, the stainless steel retractable clothesline. Considering the quality of the material, how easy it is to set it up, and its overall functionality, we feel that this clothesline is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of Amazon's Choice Stainless Steel Retractable Clothesline and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/retractclothesline. Alright, thank you for watching.